What's happening? Welcome back to Nocturnal Labs. It's Neff and Natalia bringing you guys another video. Natalia's going to do all the speaking this time. Remember, hit that like and subscribe.
Okay, so after I did the flag project, I posted it, and then I ended up getting a lot of orders. So I went and bought myself a little present. It is
nice drill press.
It's a drill press, so I can make the holes a lot easier. So today we're gonna be building it. I'm gonna be building it, not me.
Natalia's gonna be building it. I'm gonna be giving her more support by watching.
We'll see if that actually happens, because usually he butts in. So
yeah, I'm supervising today though. So.
Okay.
All right, so you guys hit that like and subscribe, and stay tuned for the video.
I haven't even started, and he literally could not help himself.
This is dangerous, so I have to do this part. All right, ma'am, that's all you.
Okay, so these are the instructions. We don't need them. I'm kidding.
Who needs instructions?
That is a hefty instruction thing. Okay, so the first thing that is here are the instructions, but we don't need those. Oh, so, no kidding, we do need them because I have no idea what I'm doing, but.
Okay, so with the grease and stuff, the packing grease, I guess, we got it. All the nice looking yellow stuff a little bit dirty, but that's okay. So she actually finished putting it together. It was pretty easy. Just a few little tools that we're gonna leave around here, so whenever we need them. She kept asking what this was for, but this is the actual chuck. So you put it in here, and you tighten your drill bit or whatever you put in there. So we're gonna try to do something for, oh look, it's got a spot right here.
Oh shoot.
It's got a spot for it. So you don't lose it. Alright, so supposedly this thing has a light and a laser. Oh!
Has a laser.
It's got a laser. I don't know if you guys can see that. Let me bring the camera over here. It's got
Bring it up a little bit.
a nice laser. I mean, we'll eventually line it up perfectly whenever we do start doing stuff, but it also has a light. And now, for the big reveal, Natalia's gonna turn it on.
Is it there? Okay. I'm gonna turn it on?
Yeah. It's yours. Just lift it. Cause it scared the shit out of Natalia.
Oh my gosh.
So that's it. So we'll
Where is it? Where's the pressure thing that you were saying?
oh, right here.
Yeah, the other down. Okay.
Yeah, but you adjust all this stuff and so you don't have to bring it up too much.
But yeah, that is it. Prepare to get dirty. I mean, you can't even see it's just grease, but
Yeah.
yeah.
I heard grease helps for the wrinkles. But that's it.
That's my machine. My drill press, which will be used to make all of my future orders of the flag.
Exactly.
Okay, I'm not gonna let that one down. But anyways, so that was it for this video. We hope you guys liked it. Hope y'all learned something new.
And it's super easy to put together.
It is, yeah, no, it actually is really easy. If it wasn't for that one part that I could not figure out, I could have done this by myself.
Yeah.
But I had no idea how to even go about like putting this little stick part over here inside of this, and then like, what do you call it? The worm what?
The worm thingy.
The
worm gear. The worm
gear. I don't know. But it's pretty easy.
Yep. Super easy. So, like always, thanks for watching, and you guys hit that like and subscribe.
Peace.
Peace.